out this mic, oh, dog. Alright, that was some dog crap in the middle of the street. They probably want me to run over it. I don't know. Work out because my bike is so loud and I have a motocross helmet, so I mean we'll just see, and I'll try to get this clip up just so you guys can see like if I can talk or not, because I could wear my showy helmet, but I'd rather wear my motocross helmet when I'm riding my dirt bike. So I mean, I don't know, like I bet it's fine right now, but when I go, yeah, but when I go, I don't think you guys can hear me very well, so I guess I can just see, and then test. Alright, so anyways, I just want to test it out real quick and skip this dog poop right there. So I'll see you guys in my next video, but this would make me so I can talk to my camera while I'm recording. So you guys just don't have to see a video. I might put some music to it, but you guys can hear me talk like a moto vlogger and stuff like that. But I make all kinds of videos, so I won't just be making dirt bikes. So it should be pretty cool.